Hello everyone, welcome back to Agastya Embroidery Boutique. This is welcome tutorial number 7 for beginners. In this video, we will learn how to draw shapes correctly. Don't worry, I will explain slowly. First, I select the running tool from the left side toolbox. Now, I am ready to draw. I click once to start. Now, I keep clicking to place points. Each click creates one point. I continue clicking to complete the shape. Please watch carefully where I click. After finishing the shape, I press enter. Object is completed. Use the select tool to check. Click once on the select tool, then click on the shape. Now you can see the object is selected correctly. Remember, drawing correctly is very important in embroidery designing. Always click slowly and press enter properly. Please practice this step slowly. In the next video, we will learn more tools step by step. If this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Agastya Embroidery Boutique. Thank you for watching.